Rack 54 and run. Right. Got it. Hi guys, can you hear me? You guys, can you hear me? Yo, can you hear me? Right, right, I'm hoping we're all okay, is it? I'm hoping we are all okay. What are we trading? What are we trading? I want to know what most of us are trading. What are we trading tonight? What are we trading? How many of us are trading derivative, and how many of us are trading world trade? How many of us are trading derivative, and how many of us are trading world trade? Okay. Do we have people who were on the live stream as Kati? Do we have people who were on the live stream as Kati? Yo, yeah, guys makawanda. Yo, this is nice. Yo, at least we are all putting effort, guys. Yo, this is nice. All right, seems we have both world traders and both derivative traders, so we are going to do what we did in the afternoon, and I'm gonna log in the portal here. For derivative traders, if we have risk takers, if you are not a risk taker, please don't enter. If you are not a risk taker, please do not enter this boom 300. If you are not a risk taker, don't enter boom 300, but I'm seeing spikes on boom 300. I'm seeing spikes coming on boom 300. I know I'm going to camera doing, but I'm seeing spikes on boom 3. I'm seeing spikes. Hands good, our sniper chero irani no zvinzwa. Yes. So risk takers only, you are allowed to get into boom 300. If you are not a risk taker, please do not enter boom 300. And then already on boom 500. ndaripinda takuda kupinda musession. I think you can see it currently in profit on boom 500. So what it generally means is for the guys that want to also enter on boom 500, you can join, because I'm expecting more spikes to come. I'm currently in that trade, and I'm currently in that trade. So apa ndangoti marisk takers state vane moyo, handiti vane moyo ngavapinde boom 300, and then those who don't care to hold on for a bit, you can enter on boom 500. But boom 500, I'm already on it, and I'm expecting spikes to come through. Right, no more Sinoya. You said no voice is repo. Boom 300 just spiked. Boom 300 just spiked. Tatotanga so in case you were not in today's session, ndokutotanga kwedu kwatatoita kuku. Boom 300 just spiked, so we hold it, anditika. We hold it, and when you are ready, we hold it, anditika. Boom 300 raspika. Not, we need to see more spikes coming through on boom 300. That was a small spike though. Okay, for world traders, don't worry, isu tenge chitobvongodza kwese guys. Hatitotomboita zvekumira, tichitopinda matrades takatoenda, nditi tichitopinda matrades takatoenda. Let's sell PNX 400. Just spike akadiki, but I'm seeing another spike from here on PNX 400. So ngatimboshandai newawo PNX 400, boom 300, boom 500. Amuskunza sound. How many of us sound, guys? Sound is one. No voice. All right. Since you guys are saying there's no voice, let me fix it. How about now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? How far? Munenzwa. And the sound boyish. So that means kuti kuna mwana network iri low. Handiti kune vamwe vanhu vane network iri low. Right, remember hatisi kungotora matrades ese ka. Patiri kumirira matrades, I also want you to be asking me my questions that are forex related, so that ndenge ndichita ndichipindura ndichiudza vamwe, handiti. So takamirira matrades, I would also want you to ask me kuti muda kubetserwa papi when it comes to your trading. Right, so tapinda boom 500. Let me show you the analysis behind boom 500 yatapinda. So this was my analysis behind boom 500. Let me show you the boom 500 that we just entered now. Iro boom 300 ramwe akadiki futi vakomana, futi imiso imi chicho chine vakomana. Chichi guys, what's this? Like seriously, what's this? What kind of spike is this? Very small spike. Aiwa, chikufana kwedzera ngatichibata itu. Kuti kutidzerera to the last, giving us a small spike like this. Vanhu vakamuka kuma 10. Nah, let's hold it. Let's see what comes next. So I was saying the analysis behind what about this trade? Asatra crusher, Penix 400 Asatra crusher at 30, but it's supposed to give us a spike here. Okay, so for boom 500, this is my analysis. My analysis was based from the fact that mukatarisa kwese kuno kuku, we were having highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows, and then we got this low over here. But this low, what we see is we failed to break this high it up, and if we come and we mark our price chart, what you would see is this high this high, but then when it sold off and it came to respect this order block over here, which is the one that I just touched. And so iro ravara spiker rokuspiker zvidiki, it's in profit. Aratipa 2 ma spikes, but yo, this is too small, guys. We can't be waking up for these kind of spikes. We can't be waking up for these kind of spikes. These ones, nah, this ain't okay. Dream profit hangu, but this is not it. So boom 500, I'm expecting get monotro concert per spike is why? Because tauda munosvika pana quarter past 10. Tauda munosvika pana quarter past 10. Tauda munosvika pana quarter past 10. Someone said a big boom. No, it's not a big boom. It's small. This is too small, guys. This is too small. These kind of spikes in the Vanaveku crash, these are not for us. But on B5, we're expecting a bigger one, like a very big one. I'm expecting a very, very big spike on B5. I'm expecting a very big one on B5. And my spikes are not according to time. Yes, I know it's according to time. What about this Pain X400 etc. crusher? Let's hold it. It's supposed to give us a spike anytime now. And the screen is small, not on full screen. What's the screen behind? Quarter past. Icho, my way. Shit, man. Fucking damn it. This is the reason why we are here. That's the reason why we are on these sessions. Tinakazotamba kuno. Tinakazobata ma spikes. Profits on boom 300. Let's keep on holding it. I see yet another spike coming, and I see another spike coming on boom 300. I see another spike coming on boom 300. Generally my target for this session is not too much. From this account I'm just aiming to have at least 300, 300, 400. I don't want to overtrade. I've already traded today. So we keep on holding. Let's look at other pairs. Let's look at one World Trade. World Trade, what I'm going to do is when I enter my trades from my PC, I'm also going to be sharing you my screenshots because I'm not logged in my account from this PC. And right, Kunevan World Trade. If you are a risk taker, may you kindly sell Pain X600 izvezvi. ndakuripindawo panapa and I'll show you ndaripinda nditi pain x600 ngatiripindei. I'm having someone who's complaining that my screen is small. Okay, let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do to make sure you get a full screen. Let me also check from my phone here. Let me also check from his phone here to see can with this pain x here, pain x 1200, but let's wait for it a bit. Let's sell that pain x 600. Sell it. Pain x 600 here. Resell it. Okay, sorry for the silence. Sorry for the silence, guys. Okay, we have another spike here on boom 300. We have another spike on boom 300. Rasimuka zvakanaka sterek. Boom, rasimuka zvakanaka. It really gave us a nice reaction. It gave us a very nice reaction. Our boom 300. So for boom 500, like I said, I was already in profit, as you can see. I'm in profit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add entries now and see. Sorry for the silence, guys. And send a message from the group. Apinda, what do you call this? Apinda the boom 300. So let's see. Let's hold and see. It's now a game of patience. Now, takamira matrade duta play. Ndukukumbira ma questions. Can I have questions? Can I have questions? Can I have my questions? Can I have my questions, guys? Takamira matrade play. Can you kindly bomb me with questions? Depend my questions are forex related, because at the end of the day what you're gonna see is we also need to let our price play, and as it plays we need to be talking about something else. Panere anombofila kunge matrades aendi in his or her favor. So let's say wapinda trade. And the mic yangu yakunyatsoita bo. Alright, it's fine. Let me fix my mic. Yeah, for all trade it's pain x600 and pain x400. Right, iro penix 600 mwa ramwaya. There it goes. Penix 600, we're in profit. Penix 600, we're in profit. We're in profit, guys. We are in profit. Then boom, 500. It just gave us a mini spike. It just gave us a mini spike. We keep on holding. Trust me, guys. Shit. Yes. And then on PNX 400 we have a small spike. Yeah, boom 300 ngatirambe takaholda. Ngatirambe takaholda. Let's keep on holding. Let's keep on holding. But if you feel like you've made enough on boom 300, I advise you close, because at the end of the day you wouldn't want to force yourself. You want to reach a target already and did it. So if you feel like you've already reached your target on boom 300, you can close. Right, another spike on pen X600. Here it is, live and direct. I think you can see it. Live and direct. Another spike on pen X600. If you've been hearing kuti zviriko, guys, zviriko, and it's going to be bigger or what, but ndikokutrade live kwacho kwatinenge tichireva uko. We want to trade live in real time. Whatever it is that I'm teaching you, you have to see it in real time that it works. And it's it. So we are floating in profit. Overall, we are in profits. Let's keep on holding our trades. Sometimes the most important thing that we can do is have patience. Allow me to reduce my light brightness a bit, but I'm still hoping you can see me all right, like this. Kutengeta kupenya tiri pamalive apa. Tengeta kuita ngirozi baba. Alright, let's keep on holding, guys. Tiri kuenda kwatiri kuda, musanyanyotya. And I had a late entry on boom 500. Should I hold? Yes, kindly hold. If you had a late entry, just hold it. Supposed to get a spike anytime from now before half past. No pandemic expector. And then those who are asking if they can hold boom 300, if you want to hold with me, you can hold. But if you feel like you've made enough profit, close. And how long have you been trading? I've been trading for the past 5 years. This year marks my 5th year. Go ahead. Right, let's keep on holding, guys. Let's keep on holding. Let's hold. Let's hold. We have another small spike on boom 500. It's more of a gap. So if this gap doesn't close like a spike hard, what you are going to do is we are going to close it, because it will still have to come back and close that gap and it. But if it closes this gap and it spikes, then it's good news for us. We have another spike on boom 300. Just spiked now. And it, so let's trust the process. And yeah, there's someone who sent me a message. again weiterera toni. All right, there's people who's asking me what's the secret behind catching my spikes. When it comes to time, the only secret is my spikes anoitikira pana tunoti quarter points, right? This is something discover. I'm not sure maybe if there's a book out there or if someone has discovered it as well, but I discovered kuti iro rabara spike. Fuck. Sorry for swearing. I wanted to show you an example a boom 300 as rabara spike and it. So what happens is pese patinenge tichika kunana handomukona izvozvi it's 10:28. So time padzinongoti 10:25, what I do is ndinobata phone yangu and then I start looking at structure and then when I see my structure good, then ndakuziva kuti 15-minute candle rangu rofanira kuvhara either riri buy or either riri sell. Ndo panoshanda nhau yetime ipapo. That's where time works. So we've got another spike on boom 300. Those who were freaking out and asking if they should close or not, please, if you feel like you can't hold any further, just close. Pause at toda kutreda nevanhu vane moyo vanobata matrades, because tezati matrades edada chate afana kuenda kwatoda kuti aende. Alright, so let's keep holding and let's see. Like I said, if you feel like you are freaking enough zvekusagona kubata crash, zvekusagona kubata boom 300, just close it. Okay, let's go to another pair and analyze another pair and see if we have any other pair roda kuchipa anything. Iri gain x400 tati tamaskati ichiti remember ndakudzai kuti richauya rorowera pabox iri. If you go to the other life at maskati, I told you kuti richauya ropinda apa pathis supply, rikabva pathis supply richauya ronoreacta apa, then it buys and then it sells, and then it did exactly what I said it would do, and so it's an honor. I am very much happy kuti ra player zvakadaro. Right, we have pen x1 200. This trade is gonna play out from where it is right now, but it can drag us bichan. It can just weak this high. So if we have guys who feel like they are not scared enough, ngatipinde ipa pen x1 200. It's just for spikes. It gives us spikes and then we exit, and it once tokumbira analysis boom 5. Okay, ndandamboipa. I'll redo it again for you, but I had given the analysis for b5. And my former salutations, and to say totosaluta imimi ndimi munoita kuti tinge tiri pamalive aya, otherwise dai tanga takatorara izvezvizvi titoita something else. And I'm actually happy you guys are here and you guys are participating. It's such an honor to have you, and it's such an honor to have you here. Hansi, where do you live? I live in Harare, but I'm not in Harare currently. I'm out of Zimbabwe. I relocated to somewhere else. Hanzi tipewo V75S. Alright, ndokupai guys. Pamwe pacho haizinyaya kuti ndinongopinda. But let me look at it. Let me look at the V75S from my point of view. Right guys, pane varoramba vachibvudza kuti hanzi kwaiti tirambe takabata boom 300 here. I said you can take profit on boom 300 and you can TP on boom 300 if you wish to TP on boom 300. You can take profit on boom 300 since Raspaika big, you can close it. But if you want to hold it with me, you just hold it. I'm holding it. I am not closing it. So it's now a matter of preference. Hanzi tomorrow tonana makurara here. Let's not sleep. Right, so where my boom 500 is now is where I'm expecting it to spike now. Mukutreda equity yemari hanzi atari musatamuka ko kana ndakamuka nezuro ndakufanira kurara nhasi handi kana ndanga ndakamuka nezuro mondibvumidza here kuenda ndorara izvezvi. Right, so pane munhu andisendera message izvezvi hanzi saka pamakota points what do you really mean? So what I really mean is ukaona tomboti wasvika na hanzi ndandaisa $6 ndikapinda P4 ona zvaita boom 300 vakomana maiwi. Shit, damn it. Yeah, now that's a spike. Now that's a spike. Yeah, boom 300 ramwaya. Yeah, raita kumwaya. And then pen 600 just spiked. Pen 600 just spike. So I'm now expecting at least our penny 400 should give us a spike anytime now, since tapinda pa OB ironi pa gap. So penny 600 ramwaya. So what we are now going to do per penny 600, let's wait for another spike. When it spikes, then we close it and we take profits on it. Right, so if you have small equities but you are in profits on boom 300, profit, can we take profit on boom 300? Take profit on boom 300. Those that are in boom 300, you can just simply take profit on it. I wouldn't advise kuti murambe makari holder iri boom 300 from the way that it is spiked. Rofana kumbotiita sei, rofana kumbotipa retracement, so we can close the boom 300 and take profits. I think if you got in with one lot, you have made $25 profit. Right, so our trade that is not really playing out at the moment is PNX 400. It's not spiking, and so if it reaches 1045 with no spike, and then we close it. And then for our boom 500, if you check for our boom 500, let's come to b5, and I'll show you something here that I am seeing. I have someone who's been asking me about boom 500 and it was on somewhere. Firstly, what you see on boom 500 is tinema rejections are up, and tinema rejections are up. We have this small time frame. Let me come to my M15 and show you. We have this small time frame, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. We should not really break this low, but we should continue going up. So I'm expecting spikes that are intimate any time from now. So for the guys that are holding PNX 400, our PNX 400 isn't spiked. So if it doesn't spike by 10:45, we close it. PNX 400. If it doesn't spike by 10:45, then we close. Guys, if you were in today's session Mascati, we had a scenario like this whereby my trades amboita anonoka spike, and then they just started spiking. So ndokumbura muite a bit patient. Tikazonyanya kuita pressure strike zvinodhakwa. Our PNX 400 yatipa a small spike. Let's close. Our PNX 400, it gave us a small spike, so let's keep on holding it. Sure. Yo. What is it? Boom 300. Boom 300 is going miles, baba. It gave us a very huge spike, very huge one there, very huge one there. So let's hold a bit, guys. Let's hold a bit. Let's see what this PNX 400 wants to do. And the PNX 400 in any PNX 400, I'm currently in a loss of PNX 1200 Traspiker. PNX 1200, it's now in profit. PNX 1200 is now in profit. I told you guys, patience. Manje mukamanya manje nyangwe isiso vacho vanenge vakupa masignals. Boom 500 Traspiker, but not tereke. It just gave us a small spike. We hold it. Lola dzikamsayana. dzikamsayana, guys, dzikamsayana. Then our PNX 600 ndakudza zvinotanga kudonha zvese ka1 inonzi chi effect bolero effect, inonzi chi hameno iyoyo what effect. Musamanya, guys. Patience dzakakosha patience kutrading. I think we can all see that. Hatimuki manheru kuti tiruze matrades ayaya. So we have 3 trades in profit and 2 in loss. 3 trades in profit, 2 in loss. Let's keep on holding them. So you see what happens now. What happens is, I know we have people who are putting my big lot sizes, and then at the end of the day, if they pump Mari pen 400 Raspiker again, Pen X 400, it spiked again. I told you guys, be patient. Lola. Be patient, guys. I'm not here to mislead you. Trust me, I'm not here to mislead you. I'm never here to mislead you. I'm here. And then boom, 300, it spiked again just now. It gave us $40 on one lot size. I want you to see this. I just closed it. I just closed it. Then Pen X1 200, it spiked again. Yo, Zagna kids, Yes. So we are now officially taking profits on Boom 300. With one lot size, we made $40 profit, and we are taking profit on Pen X 1 200, and it with one lot size we made $40 profit on Pen X 1 200, and then with Pen X 600 is in profit, and it, but I'm not convinced with where it is. It should spike again. So can we please hold it a bit, just as much as we are holding Pen X 400. So we've taken profit on 2 trades right now. We've fully taken profit on 2 trades. We have fully taken profit on 2 trades. I'm coming back, just a minute. So currently we've taken profit on 2 trades, and let's check where we are with our market and see what we are doing. Okay, did the group. Hans Bafamba Satan. I think Makurumiza you exited too early plus Mapombera. So I'm sorry about that. If you got in losses, the only trade now that I fear the most is dragging us is Boom 500. Okay, so let's do analysis here. Could derive Mavola. Let's do analysis here. Could derive and see my volatility is like what you are requesting, guys. Right, which volatility pair do you want me to work on, guys? Which volatility pair do you want me to work on? Money is spiritual, yes, but at the end of the day, sometimes the way we handle money is also wrong. And the V100. Alright, and the V100. Takamirira boom 500 redu ne penix 400 iro and ku V100. Alright, so in personally, what I'm seeing on V100, my views on V100 is V100. These are what I consider just perfect setups, and I'm expecting a retracement la, and I'm expecting it to buy up to this area. Yeah, so basically now we have two types of people that we have. Tinatu not my risky traders, my scalpers, vanoda kupombera. What you can generally do at this point that we at is very okay. You can just buy it and then target your price. At least this is gonna be a small buy up to 73307. 73307. That's gonna be a small buy generally. So boom 500 is failing to spike. If ndikasvika na 11 risina kuspika, I'm going to close it because I'm now back at break even. Rangramondipa profit, but now it's back at break even, so we wouldn't want to force it. So currently, let's run with those. Currently we have two trades that are in loss, and we've taken profit on two trades. So we have two trades in loss and profit was taken on two. Alright, in case you think I'm not in B5, this is my B5. Let me do this. This is my B5. I'm currently in loss, and for sure I think we can all see this is a real account. So let's hold. If we get to 10, if we get to 11 with no spike, and then we close it. How's that about Penix 400? Let me check. Alright, Penix 400. Just a second. So if we pass this week on the hourly with no spike, we what not paying? How much are we losing on Penix 400? Can you kindly send me your screenshots? Kunevarum Pen X tuone kuti where is your entry from where mine is. If you're in pen X 400, can you kindly tell me the loss that you're in? Pen X 400, can you tell me the loss that you're in? So for pen X 600, let's take profit. Pen X 600 just spiked. So for pen X 600, let's take profit. Pen X 600, let's take profit on that one. Let's close it. But on pen X 600, just close it. Pen X 600 traders, let's close it. Alright, so I've got a screenshot here. There's someone with okay, so there's someone here with pen X 600. It's currently in loss. With pen X 400. Spikes yet. They just sent me the screenshot with $17 loss. I think it's Munya. Munya, can you identify yourself? Then boom 500 just spiked. Boom 500 euro. That's spike. Boom 500 just spiked, guys. Boom 500 just spiked. I think if you check pen X 1200 rawedera spike a foot. So that means so far the only trade that we are having in loss is pen X 400. And let's check. Pen X4 spiked, but not that big. So currently all our other trades have played out. Kunze kwe pen X400. Pen X400 is the one that washed us. Munashe, can you send me a screenshot? Yeah, boom 500. Let's keep holding. So out of all the trades we have taken, pen X400 is the only trade that is deciding to give us a very hard time. And I said if we reach at 11 with no good spikes, but we're still gonna close it and it. So let's see how it's going to react from this area over here, and see how we shift to this daily. Guys, ndokupai my volatilities. Remember, the issue is not about giving you my trades say at once. Let's tichichivala my profits, then we enter into more trades. We are in enough trades already, so we don't want to squeeze a weight on our accounts. I understand kuti toda trade, and ndati zvoneka kuda kubaya iri V100 iri, just buy it up until masvika ku 733. So let's see how our 11 p.m. is gonna clock like. Pen X400 spike a big. So our pen X400 just spiked. Let's hold. Like I said, Rashkan 11 is not spike at Novara, but can Rashkan 11 spike we hold. So let's hold it. Then boom 500 spike a foot. Hero. My account is now on 315 from B500 spiker. Let's keep on holding, guys. Let's keep on holding. Let's keep on holding. So Kuo trade, the only trade that we are holding is Penix 400. The rest played out. Ku Derive, the only trade that we are holding is Boom 500. The rest played out. And it in any Boom 500, I'm in profit, but I understand kuti pana mwana waripinda panda Boom 500 pepe pana mwana bvaita se pana mwana waripinda. So let's hold, guys. Let's exercise patience. This session we started at 10 and at 30 hour tapedza session. So what does it mean? It means kuti if you are having an account and kana uri kupombera zvekuti you're losing an account in 1 hour, then we need to work on adjusting my lot sizes. I understand kuti it's frustrating kuti dzimwe nguva tinenge tamboluza ma accounts, but 1 hour is just we are in profits on V100 by scalp. Kune ma risk takers edu tam profit on V100 scalp iro. So I think we have to work on adjusting our lot sizes in a way. Alright, there's someone who sent me loss Ipa paying any $8 loss. Not really, guys. It's so unfortunate to tangueta one trade and I'm going to tell me some story, which is our pain X400. Alright, if you're in V100, you are moving nicely, ne? Moving very nice. If you're in V100, it's in good profit. That scalp is moving, it's in good profits. I think we can all see V100 is in good profits. All right, so I know the topic here is Penix 400. So I'm I'm expecting more spikes because takazira an evening star on PNX 400 handiti ini boom 300 ndavhara kudhara. I closed my boom 300 kare, but you can check it's keeping on going up, so let's stick to it. Let's stick to it. Right, for the guys that are in V100 ndokumbura kuti musawedzere malots kana mapinda muri muprofit yamuri zvizvizvi, just keep on my positions based from our entry yatiri. Ndikutongokumbirawo so that we manage our accounts well. Then PNX 400 iri kutipa small spikes. It keeps on giving us small spikes, but we're expecting bigger ones. Euro boom 500 the spike. Boom 500, we are in good profits. Boom 500, we are in good profits. Boom 5, we're in good profits, so we keep on holding it. Let's keep on holding boom 500. Right, so now zvatinoita manje, since matrades edu akuita play in our way, angachititemesa musoro aya, we start looking for my entries. That's how we manage my trades. The issue is not kungoti pese patangoona kuti pane trade and then takutopinda trade takutopinda anditi kana wagara wanga nematrades wangu wakavhura, you wouldn't want to overwork or overload yourself. So what you do is you hold, you wait for other pairs to play. Once they start playing nicely, you look for other entries. So scalpers on V100, I know you are enjoying, and I know you are enjoying. Scalpers on V100, I know you are enjoying. So ngatibatei ipapo tuone kuti rodaita say that V100 scalp. And then this boom 500, my way rabara boom foot. Boom 500 rabara boom footy. B5 rab boom foot. B5 ramwaya. So we hold for another spike on B5. So now imagine all that pressure you could see. Hello? Buddy? Hello? Hello? I can pin online. So our boom 500 is going well. Our boom 500 is going well. I see it spiking more, I don't know about you guys, but I personally see it going up more. So my TP for Boom 500 is 5309. So I'm just imagining hangu old haso yatanga tichipopota chiti sekuda jiskuspaika sekuda jiskuspaika. Now you are putting fire emojis to this. So it definitely is gonna spike more. And so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Takufa nayo mari manje. Money coming in. Right, V100 scalpers. If kana vangu vakapombera zvekutodaro apa, may you kindly exit. Our move was from here to here, so kana vangu vakapombera apa, may you kindly exit and take profit on V100. But if you wish to hold, close my partials and hold. And if you wish to hold, but I then close my partials on V100. So we are done and dusted with that one. We are done and dusted with some of these trades. Now ndakuita zvamakurequesta imimi guys. You guys are requesting me to do my volatility indices equal trade. I don't want to keep on overloading you, and it is for ngatimboatsvagai my volatility indices equal trade. Timboona kuti ndiripi one promising that we can enter. Right, we have a potential sell off here, but let me go to M1. Structure is always high low, high. So ngatimbomera kumanya on this one. What about FX volume 20? FX volume 20. We have a scalp buy. On FX volume 20. Someone is asking, ndokwanisa kubooster $5 account rine signal high. You can, but I don't think that's the best option. We have people who on this live that had my $8 namangwani my 20 and they are already out of the game. So I want to be honest with you. If you want to boost your account, you better stick to one pair and focus with one pair. And ngatisapomberai mapairs akawanda, and then at the end of the day tozopesa takuisa pressure. Anditi right, we keep on going. Right, so on FX volume 20 we have a scalp buy. For scalpers that would wanna scalp it, FX volume 20 we have a scalp buy. It's a scalp, meaning that once you're getting good profits you exit. So takunosvika pa quarter point. I'm not pretty sure if we know about what I said about quarter points, but boom 500 might just give us another spike on this quarter point. Iro rabata spike. Damn it. Iro rabata spike. Rabata spike. We need to get another spike. From this quarter point, we need to get another nice spike. We need to get another spike. We need to get another spike. So our FX volume 20 angatira famba or famba, but this is where we are from that entry. We are in profits and it is on our FX volume 20. Our FX volume 20 is in profits. For scalpers, we're in profits on our FX volume 20. Scalpers, we are in profits, FX volume 20. And what about Penix 400? I don't think my thinking right now is, if we take out this current high, let's do away with it, because I understand we have small equities as well on Penix 400. So my best bet would be to say let's close it. That's how we can properly manage this trade, and we can properly manage kuti tisatikuwadze zvekutodaro. That's my thinking on our Penix 400. It wasn't so unfortunate. This is the only trade that didn't play out, and it's very unfortunate. No, Penix 400 is in profit. Penix 400 is in loss. Kubva kudhara it has been refusing to spike. So my best bet would be to say closing it is okay. Closing it would be okay. Penix 400, so that we avoid quads. I'm very sorry about that pair. I feel way too guilty ndikaposta pair rinoramba play out, and it's so unfortunate. Ndorega risina kumbotipa mari pamatrades edu esataita, and I understand some people even lost their accounts to this Penix 400. So let's close it. But then kune anenge anewo a big account, we can, if it doesn't spike by 92582 for a complete reversal, then you also close it and it. So I'm sorry about that. Penix 400 apparently ndorega trade rati kwazi, while all other pairs played well. So per boom 500, I know with guys in boom 500, let's close it. If you're in good profits, close it. Boom 500, as long as you're in good profit, close it. And then if you are in V100, your Penix 400 just crashed. So yeah, I understand we have some profit on boom 500, we've taken profit on Penix 1200. So what we now need to see is we are only left with one together if we are all up for it, which is Phoenix 400. And what do you mean by Makota points? Okay, guys, I said if you are in good profit on Boom 500, let's close it. I am personally holding it. The reason why I'm holding it is I know we have people that are scared enough to hold my trades, so I'm personally going to hold it. Well, I understand sometimes with guys we end up getting pressured and end up asking way too many questions. Should we hold? Should we close? Should we hold? Should we close? So at this point, if you find yourself in good profits, you can close. But for me personally, like I said, I'm going to hold. On Boom 500. So let's see if we're gonna get another spike on Pen X 1400. All right. Just for clarity's sake, the guys who were in Pen X and exited, not the ones who are holding, the ones who exited, how much loss did you exit on? Close at loss on Pen X. Just for clarity's sake, ndokumbura tichingotaipa muchat, we want to do our things zviri open. I know tinenge sina mwana anenge achangobva joina session, so they would also need to know that we made my losses. We don't want to lie and say it's a profit per Pen at 400 is still loser. How much loss did you make on Pen 400? How much losses did you make on Pen 4? 17 loss on Pen X. Yeah, Munyaraj, I saw your account. You sent me your screenshot. What about other guys? And I lost 40. What about other guys? Let's be open and honest, guys. Animona tinosimbofara nema profits, but it's unfortunate on this pain we lost 25 loss. What about other guys? How much loss did we encounter? 18 loss. What about other guys? How much loss did we make on Pen X 400? And the lot size is at the best when catching spikes. It depends with your account size. And I lost 209. Okay, I'm very sorry about that. Can you also send me your screenshot? $5 loss from $15. Yeah, I think you were good at your risk management. $5 loss from 15 is not bad. It's loss and we don't tolerate losses, but that risk management was on point. What about other guys? How much did you lose? And I lost $7. Okay, what about others? What about others? How much did you lose? I lost 80. Yeah, Chikwanda, I saw your loss. You sent me your loss. What about others? Hansi, I'm not in your group, unfortunately. Oh, okay. For the guys that don't have my number or are not in my group, you just simply text me on +263 +27, sorry, +27688110894. Sorry, let me edit that. Let me remove it. Actually, it's not the right number that I sent. The right number is boom spiked, but it's not convincing. Rangodzokera pananga riri +27688110894. Okay, swap. There's someone who asked me kuti say calculation yangu isiri kuita zvakanaka. It's because of swap. Swap. When we cross over to another day, tomorrow and on to swap. So don't worry about that. It's totally normal. Right. So ladies and gentlemen, on our live yataita, we did TP on boom 300 and V100. We also managed to TP and back on pen X pen X 1200. I think we all ended that in pen X 999, and those are the trades that we managed to get. And so far is pen X 400. So I would advise if we don't have my accounts so if we don't have my accounts anokwanisa kuorder, please, it's normal. Like I said, I'm very sorry for the loss. On pen X 400 we can simply close it and appreciate mama trades at tighter. I also understand because there are some guys who didn't enter mama trades and they just decided to hold on to pen X 400. I know the frustration and I'm sorry about that. So FX volume 20 Tabata, boom 500 Tabata, pen X 1200 Tabata, and then boom 500 Tabata, pen X 400. It's giving me shivers if I think about it. And then for the guys that are holding boom 500, but there's a high probability that it's gonna keep on going up. So yeah, those are our standings right now. And when is the next session? Most probably tomorrow. I just want to see if we're going to get anything while we're on this live or before I end it. Nhasi ndichakara ndenge ndichanza nekurova zvangu guys. Penix 400 taramba kuspike. Yes. So we are going to end this session at 11:28, and then just a quick announcement. Tine 30-day course. We have a 30-day course for April. We didn't want to include it, but because of you guys were requesting. We have a 30-day intensive masterclass, so you can just reach me out on that number. And where is it? Ish. You can reach me out on that number if you want to join the 30-day intensive class. It's more of like a private class. What we'll be doing is totally different from some of the free sessions that we're giving. Irora spike boom 500 and supposed, since we are at quarter point, is supposed to give us another huge spike at this area that is 8, considering the structure that it's giving us. It's supposed to just go up before 11, but if it fails, the next candle ichavula ipapa inongovura ichitongo spike straight up. So like I was saying, you can just reach me out on this number, and then montibata before manyanyo sara kunanokweda joina. Once again, I'm sorry for the loss that we had on Penix 400, and let's if we made profit, let's appreciate the profits we made, and let's withdraw. Remember, we trade to withdraw, not kuti tiganzire vanhu. Anditi tomorrow I'll try as much to see if we can have another session. Anditi there's someone who sent me okay, bro. All right, I was receiving a testimonial, a feedback on Boom 5. So yeah, we'll work tomorrow, guys, and I'll definitely cover up for the gap. In the afternoon, we had a very nice session with 100% success rate, and this evening we had a rough session with a 90% success rate. So it also pretty much affects me in a way. But well, we'll trade tomorrow. Let's have a good night. And the pain X 400 spiked a bit. That's what we're waiting for, Edu. You want us to keep on waiting for it? Yes. Okay, I'll keep on updating in the group. But I really wanted this to spike TDTSA as a team just as much as we were when we entered it. So like I said, those who want to come for the 30-day intensive course, where I Tripo will give you the lessons. I think I spoke about B5. I'm seeing a message. B5 ram B5 ram ratipama profits, and inini currently I'm in profit on B5. I don't know if you can see my phone here. Currently I'm in profit on B5. I'm going to keep on holding it because I'm seeing it going up more. So it's now an issue. Don't you want to keep on holding it? So yeah, let's see how many we are on this live. They ran away from me. They ran away from me actually. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks for 100. Although we made money, I'm not happy about that loss. Oh, okay. Alright, let me address it nicely. I think we can all see these are all about the class. Alright, what we are doing is we are having a master class, and this master class is meant kuti mukwanise kudzidza forex for less, meaning those ridiculous prices zamunosiudza kuti it's this much. We're saying, come, let's teach you our concepts that come, let's teach you for 30 days intensively. I think I have some of my students in here who can even type on the comment section that have been doing my lessons with me. Come, let's teach you. Let's have the 30-day masterclass. We learn together for the next 30 days. Although these are separate from free classes, still you are going to get something that's worth it. And chikuru sasteric. And if you feel like you don't have my number, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number over here, right, that I just copied and pasted in the chat more, and then we start together so that amuzonyanya kusara nevamwe. So that's pretty much it. I'm happy. I have a brother here who's posting me at $134. Well, this is good. It means our session was not in vain, for all in vain, and it. So I think for this session there's need for us to end it, and tomorrow we have 2 sessions, just as much as we did today. So let's have a great night. I'll meet you tomorrow, guys. I really want to stay awake, but dambotamba my game, idambozorora, guys. So let's have a good night. I love you all. This stream is going to be on our YouTube channel,